Hello everyone! Outsourcing of software development brings up many questions, such as, will I have control over my project? How can we do quality work with people who are not even adapt to our culture or our values? These are just some of the common misconceptions about software development outsourcing. Looking at things from the other perspective, there is a list of benefits in outsourcing. Summing it up to, outsourcing allows you to focus on things that bring money to the table. For the past 13 years, Serengeti has established itself as a company that provides reliable service to our clients, helping them to speed up their time to market and, in the long run, save money. Our client, Erste Serbia, is a large financial institution with a network of more than 100 retail branches and 4 corporate centers. It counts for one of the biggest banks in Serbia, approximately 500,000 clients. For the past couple of years, Erste Serbia has been our partner, outsourcing a software development project to us, the maintenance of the core banking system. My name is Ana Milas, and I'm the head of marketing and business development at Serengeti. Today, I'm speaking with Kosta Kurešević, the organization unit head at Erste Bank Serbia, and Dubravko Martinić, program manager at Serengeti. Kosta, hi, and thank you for welcoming us at Erste in Novi Sad. What are, according to your practices, some of the important factors when choosing an outsourcing partner?
It's a pleasure for having you here and welcome, and I hope that you enjoy. Outsourcing of IT services has been growing rapidly in past years, and it has revolutionized the way the business is done. It is necessary to identify the need of outsourcing and then to select a partner with adequate team that will be the best fit. Common practices are to perform due diligence, to take up some reference on-site visits, etc. The most important is to verify team expertise of potential outsourcing partner to be sure that you can rely on them fully.
Tell us about your banking system. What type of system it is, and which system have you decided to migrate to?
Well, we are currently using a core banking system that has monolith architecture that encompasses core banking services in fully integrated software. We decided to migrate to upgradable modular core banking system that will adaptively support banking process in years ahead.
You have decided to select Serengeti as an outsourcing partner for maintenance and development of existing system. So how did Serengeti prepare for this role?
Serengeti prepared well for outsourcing needs of Erste Bank Serbia. They formed a team of developers that have experience from banking IT industry, and they are knowledgeable with core banking system that we use.
So what sort of work is being done by Serengeti team?
Serengeti team has a wide scope of work that includes the maintenance of core banking system of Erste Bank Serbia and improvements by implementation of new change requests in desired timeline.
I'm sure that not everything is going smoothly. So we just recently witnessed a crisis caused by COVID-19, as we all know, and it surely affected business processes. So how did it affect you? What did you do, and how did Serengeti respond?
Well, Anna, we had specific business year impacted with COVID-19 pandemic. We had several requirements caused by COVID-19. Serengeti supported us with engaging additional developers that were close to the core team, and they helped us achieving expected solution delivery dates.
Dubravko, regarding this, there is an interesting program within the project. So it's called Share of Developers. Could you please tell us about it and what it is, how it works?
Yes, of course. In a nutshell, it's Serengeti's way of mentoring juniors to be productive in the shortest possible time. When we define a team for the project, we add several junior developers free of charge to the client. They work alongside our seniors and learn as much as they can without the pressure of the deadlines. Along with gaining the technical and domain knowledge, they get familiar with our client system and they're ready to jump in and expand the team when they're needed.
Excellent. Well, in business, everything needs to be measured, so I'm sure it's the same way in Erste Bank. Could you tell us about the results so far? How many people worked on the project? What was the delivery? How long did it take?
Well, numbers are there, Anna, but in short, major result is that Serengeti's team of 10 developers implemented bank exchange requests, solved the incidents of different levels and service requests in specific business year behind us impacted with the COVID-19 pandemic, with quick reaction of dedicated team to specific needs at any time.
This sounds quite impressive. Dubravko, so 10 people carry the majority of the banking system on their back. How is this possible and what's the formula?
Well, Anna, I would say that it all comes from dedication, hard work and excellent organization. We have defined what type of people we needed in team, and we made sure that we have a good mixture of relevant domain and technical knowledge. The idea was to have at least 2 and preferably more developers that would cover distinct business domains. We used Waterfall SDLC as our client requested, but we added several agile principles to make our work easier. For example, we used daily Scrum meetings to coordinate our work on service requests and incidents, and we also used the Kanban board to plan parts of the development of new change requests.
Okay, that sounds good. Costa, Serengeti's team is in Croatia and your HQ is in Serbia. So what's the most challenging part about collaboration with an outsourced team that is not even in your country?
Well, Anna, for some specific projects it is better to have team members on site to improve collaboration and cooperation. Nevertheless, in the time of digitalization, the distance of cooperating teams is not a special obstacle, so we manage it.
Excellent. According to your positive 5-star review on Clutch, I dare to conclude that you are a happy customer. So, would you recommend Serengeti to other businesses and to whom?
Well, IT sector, new technologies and solutions are very dynamic. It is hard to keep the pace with new technologies if it is not your core business, So that is the case for IT companies such as Serengeti. That is why I would recommend Serengeti to companies that look for a partner who can offer them customized services to help them to be more flexible, focused on their business goals. So
I'm sure that at one point you will be fully migrated. What happens then? Are there any new projects on horizon?
we will start new stories when we finish with migration to new core system. For sure, we will continue with further improvements to provide innovative services to our clients according to their needs.
Costa, Dubravko, thank you so much for your time today. I hope that you all enjoyed our business talk today. For more on our projects, check out www.serengetitech.com.